The world of dropshipping is massive, and platforms like Spocket are a huge part of that. They connect you with suppliers, helping you build your online store. But once you've found the perfect products, a crucial question comes up: how exactly do you pay for them? Understanding Spocket's payment methods is key to a smooth and profitable dropshipping business. First, let's talk about the two main types of payments on Spocket: your subscription fees and the actual orders you're placing. For your monthly or annual subscription, Spocket keeps things straightforward. They accept all major credit cards and debit cards. This is how you pay for your access to the platform's features, like the number of products you can list and the tools you have available. Think of it as your business's rent for using the Spocket marketplace. Now, let's move on to the more frequent transactions: paying for your customer orders. When a customer buys a product from your store, you need to pay the supplier on Spocket to fulfill that order. For this, Spocket primarily relies on two secure and widely used payment processors, Stripe and PayPal. When you set up your Spocket account, you'll need to link one or both of these to process your payments. It's important to set both up if possible, because this gives you and your customers more flexibility. For instance, if a customer pays with a credit card, the transaction is processed through Stripe. If they use PayPal, then that payment is handled by PayPal. You might be wondering about fees. Spocket itself charges a transaction fee, which is processed through Stripe. It's a percentage of the order total plus a small fixed amount. This fee is a standard part of the dropshipping process on Spocket, and it's something you should factor into your pricing strategy. By understanding these fees up front, you can make sure your product prices cover all your costs and still leave you with a healthy profit margin. It's a good practice to use Spocket's profit margin calculator to help you get this right. What about security? Spocket uses Stripe as its primary payment processor for subscriptions and orders to ensure all transactions are PCI compliant. You don't need to have a Stripe account yourself for this to work. It's the tool Spocket uses behind the scenes. All this means your financial data and your customers' data are protected with industry-standard security measures. So, Spocket payments are simple and secure. You'll use a credit or debit card for your subscription and rely on PayPal and Stripe to process your orders. Just remember to account for the transaction fees in your pricing, and you'll be set for success.